Hi all, I'm Monsi from Discover Siddha. So in this video, we are going to see about the world's dangerous disease, HIV. HIV is a disease named as human immunodeficiency virus. Actually, the main disease which is caused by this HIV is AIDS. Okay, so human immunodeficiency virus. Why I chose this topic means recently I just saw a news in Tripura that the college students, around 800, more than 800 students were affected with HIV, and around 47 students were died due to this HIV infection, which is a very severe and tragic disease. Okay, and first of all, we just have a look on AIDS. AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. The word syndrome means group of disease. A group of disease. In Tamil we used to say தொகுப்பு. In Tamil we used to say தொகுப்பு. நோய்களின் தொகுப்பு we used to say. Okay. Next, let's see the history of this HIV. First of all, we want to know when this HIV starts. Okay. So first, it was found in 1981 in Los Angeles. Mostly it is seen in male homosexuals. In the year of 1981, it just caused, and the area which is affected is Los Angeles. Los Angeles is a famous city, okay, which is a part of the city of Southern California. Okay. Next we can see about the epidemiology. Epidemiology is more important because it gives the correct appropriate list of the people who are all affected with HIV. Okay, more than 75 million people were contracted with this disease. They just contracted with this disease. So in this epidemiology, nearly 36 million people were there. 36 million people were died, which is a past history. This is a past epidemiological results. But now currently several people were affected and several people were dying. We don't have the exact list. Okay. Next, we can see about IDU. What is this IDU? IDU means intravenous drug users. So this is a main reason for the present news which we saw now in Tripura. People were died. Students were died. That is, they died by this mode. That is, they are intravenous drug users. Okay. So intravenous drug users means mostly with the syringe and needle, they use same syringe and needle almost for 10%. Okay, not only 10%, it is up to their mindset. So they just have the needle and syringe and they just inject by themselves. In that injection, they have certain drugs. Okay, they have certain drugs. Mostly the infection occurs in this mode through needle sharing, that is repeated syringes and needles. And reports from Tamil Nadu, let's say the reports from Tamil Nadu, mostly drugs like cannabis derivatives. Cannabis derivatives, number 1, Pethidine, number 2, amphetamine, number 3, Hyoscine, number 4, and cocaine. These are all the drugs which they use mostly in the mode of intravenous drug. Okay, that is IDU. And also, new HIV patients form by using a single drug, that is amphetamine. Amphetamine is a single drug which increased the rate of HIV affected people. Almost 20 to 40% patients were affected due to this intravenous drug uses. Now we can see the causative organism of this HIV. Causative organism of this AIDS is HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus. It belongs to retrovirus. This retrovirus belongs to lentivirus. Lentiviruses are the group of viruses that give a chronic disease effect. Chronic means what? Prolonged period. Okay. In Tamil we used to say வாழ்நாள் முழுவதும். Okay. That is, a lentiviruses typically shows a chronic course of diseases. And this is a major causative organism of this AIDS. Okay. Now we can see immunological abnormalities. This HIV, I already said, it is an immune deficiency syndrome, right? So most probably it causes certain immunological defects. First one is leukopenia, that is decreased number of WBC cells. Lymphopenia, all of your lymphatic system get decreased. Hypergamma-globulinemia. Okay. Next, skin test allergy, decrease in lymphocyte proliferation. These are all the immunological abnormalities that are caused by HIV. Okay. Now we can see the route of transmission. So we all know that now the present case in Tripura, okay, it is through IDU, okay, that is contaminated needles and syringes. Not only this is a reason, there are several reasons in which this disease can be caused. Those reasons are close contact, okay. Next, exchange of blood and body fluids, that is transmission. Sometimes through certain injected needles or through drips, sometimes it may exchange. So in those conditions, it may affect. Through sexual intercourse, that is through vaginal sex, through oral sex, through these modes also, this disease can be caused. And through contaminated needles and syringes, that is. Next, we can see about drugs that are used to prevent HIV. There is a drug that is named as antiretroviral drug, which is called as tenofovir, which is a drug. So it is used as a topical application in vagina, that is used before the sexual exposure, which reduces HIV infection by around 38%. Researches were done through this drug, and these are all the final answer, that is it decreases the infection. Okay. Next, we can see about certain clinical patterns. Now we can see about clinical patterns. There are 4 stages of HIV. So these stages will be explained in the upcoming video. Okay. First one is acute retroviral syndrome. Second one is asymptomatic stage without any symptoms, HIV disease attained. Third one is early symptomatic stage, early symptomatic stage, and fourth one is advanced immunodeficiency. And these are all the 4 clinical patterns of HIV disease, and this is a drug that is used to prevent HIV. Okay, in the upcoming videos, you can see the pathology, how the HIV is caused, and the clinical patterns, 4 clinical patterns. Both these you can see in the upcoming video, which will be quite interesting. And also, please avoid certain problems, avoid using drugs, avoid using those kind of IDU methods. Okay, please avoid this, especially the students who are studying. Please don't want these kind of things and all. Just leave it, and because it will give a pandemic effect in your life. So just think it off. For more interesting videos, please subscribe our channel, please like our channel, share for more videos, and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye.